capturing sound is a science. Reproducing it faithfully is an art form, especially in a car. Top-of-the-line hardware is the basic requirement. This is why Volvo has chosen to work closely with Bowers Wilkins, one of the most respected audio brands in the world. The XC90 system is derived directly from innovative acoustic technology, developed for reference speakers used in some of the world's most demanding acoustic environments. In the all-new XC90, we have combined exquisite design and a pure sound experience using 19 state-of-the-art speakers connected to a 12-channel, 1400-watt Class D amplifier. The speaker setup includes 7 Nautilus Tweeters, 7 mid-range speakers, 4 woofers, and a new groundbreaking 250mm air-ventilated subwoofer, which is literally built into the car's subframe. The result of this cooperation with Bowers Wilkins is a clear, crisp, and powerful audio experience in the all-new Volvo XC90.